will call you. Don't look at me, Lord. Hallelujah. He sleep on his backside. He sleep for his chest. He run in the church. He go up. Yes.
Hallelujah. እኔም የቢሾፕ ተክሌ ልጅ ነኝ የሚል ሰው ማን ነው? የእምነት ልጅ ነኝ የሚል
who is in the midst of who say I'm the son of Bishop Tekle, I'm the son of praise. Hallelujah.
ማን ነው እኔ መንባ አለኝ የሚል ሰው ካለ
who say that I have tears to cry out to the Lord.
እኔንም ጩህ ያሰኘኛል.
Hallelujah. I want to cry out loud as well myself.
ትንቢተ ኢዮኤል ምዕራፍ 2 ከቁጥር 1 ላይ
in Joel chapter 2 from verse 1
የእግዚአብሔር ቀን መጥቷል.
the day of the Lord has come.
እርሱም ቀርቧልና
he is near as well.
በጽዮን መለከትን ንፉ.
in Zion blow up the trumpet.
በቅዱሱ ተራራዬ ላይ
in his holy place
ይበሉ.
cry out loud.
በምድር የሚኖሩ ይንቀጥቀጡ.
all the people live in the earth should be shaken.
የእግዚአብሔር ካህናት
you people, the people of God, hallelujah.
የእግዚአብሔር ካህናት
the people of
focus on me.
Okay,
the priests
hallelujah.
በወለሉና በመሰዊያው መካከል
in between the altar
እያለቀሱ
they were crying.
ለሕዝብ ራራ.
they were saying have mercy upon the people.
አሕዛብ እንዳይነቅፏቸው.
because they didn't want to be how do you say it?
ርስትህን ለማላገጫ አሳልፈህ አትስጥ.
don't let your inheritance to be mocked by others.
እስቲ መጫወቻ አታርገን ጌታ.
let's say don't let us to be mocked, Lord.
ሐዋርያት ናችሁ፣ እናንተም ሐዋርያት ናችሁ። ጳውሎስም ሐዋርያ ነው፣ ጴጥሮስም ሐዋርያ ነው፣ የቀደሙትም ሐዋርያ ናቸው። እናንተም ሐዋርያት ናችሁ።
Hallelujah. Paul is apostle, Peter is apostle, you are apostles as well.
እናንተም ሐዋርያት ናችሁ.
you are apostles as well.
እስቲ አፋችሁን ከፍታችሁ ማላገጫ አታርገን በሉ።
let's open your mouth and say do not make me to be mocked, Lord.
ቆዩ አንዴ አትንበርከኩ፣ አትቸኩሉ ለመንበርከክ። አንዳንዴ ወንበር ላይ ተንበርክኮ ዝም ብሎ ጸጥ ማለት አለ። እሱን አልፈልገውም።
don't rush yourself to kneel down.
ቁጭ በሉ፣ ተመልሳችሁ ቁጭ በሉ።
sit down.
በደንብ ለማልቀስ ተዘጋጁ።
prepare yourself to cry out
በደንብ
loud.
ለመጮህ ተዘጋጁ።
to cry out loud properly.
በዚህ ምድር መንፈሳዊ እንቅስቃሴ እንዲፈጠር የሚፈልግ ማን ነው?
anyone who desire to see revival in this land.
እስቲ በዚህ ምድር ሙታን ሲነሳ ማየት እፈልጋለሁ።
anyone who want to see dead people raised.
እውር ሲበራ ማየት እፈልጋለሁ።
anyone who want to see a blind man to see how
ሽባ ሲዘል ማየት እፈልጋለሁ።
anyone to see a paralyzed person to walk again.
ብዙ ሺህ ነፍሳት ሲጠመቁ ማየት እፈልጋለሁ።
anyone who want to see thousands people getting baptized.
ትፈልጋላችሁ?
do you want that to happen?
አንድ